picking a book, Cameron?
Hey, hey, hey!
You want to read Lightning McQueen? I can read that to both of you.
Hey, hey, hey!
Can Cameron listen to the book?
Go right. There's Mark. There's Mark. There's Mark.
Well, there's Mac. That's another book Cameron picked. What book do you think he's going to pick this time? Cameron, what book would you like to read? Did you want to read the farm book?
I read football.
Will you read it with Cameron? Brian, can you please back away so Cameron can actually get to look at one of the books he picks? Ryan? 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 Okay.